All right, hello everybody. I wanted to do a really quick video on the calculator issues, and it was based around this problem, which I've got another whole video on this, which I'll put a link to, but it's 50 plus 10 times 0 plus 7 plus 2. We won't even bother to pause here to work this one out together. I'm hoping that you've watched the other video. If not, you might want to stop this video, watch the other video where I go into a lot of detail on this problem. So you can pause or exit out if you'd like, but the rest of us, we're going to move ahead here. Again, we in that problem, we covered that 50 plus 10 times 0 plus 7 plus 2. Multiplication is done first. You've got to remember your order of operations. 50 plus 0 plus 7 plus 2 is 59, which is a correct answer. But we have some issues with calculators where people will say, well, my calculator told me it's 9, so you're wrong. It's 9. And I want to zero in specifically on the Windows mode calculator, the Windows computer PC calculator. We've got a little video I'm going to tack onto here that where I actually go through and work it out for you. So we will do that. All right, I wanted to do an example here of some of the problems people run into with calculators. And the problem is 50 plus 10 times 0 plus 7 plus 2. And if you use the standard mode calculator on a Windows PC, you'd typically come up to a calculator and not realizing how this calculator works. You might say 50 plus 10 times, and already you can see that it's messed up. It's added 50 plus 10 before, as soon as I hit the multiplication sign. 0 plus 7 plus 2 equals 9. It ends up with 7 plus 2. And if you look at the calculator, it actually says 7 plus 2 equals 9, which is correct, but it's definitely not 50 plus 10 times 0 plus 7 plus 2. The reason for that is, and I've explained this in a few other videos, but the Windows PC standard mode calculator works in what's called immediate execution mode. It's basically acts as if, you were using a calculator, a scientific calculator, and pressing the equals key after every operation. So it's basically going 50 plus 10 and then equals, and then times 0 equals, uh, and then you're adding 7 plus 2 equals 9. So it's not able to handle multiple operations. That's where you have things like memory store and recall functions, and so on. So a lot of people will say, well, look, my calculator told me that 50 plus 10 times 0 plus 7 plus 2 equals 9. That must be correct because my calculator said so. No, it just means that actually that you don't understand how the calculators work. Um, Now, I have seen people take a scientific calculator, one that can process multiple operations, and they still will get the wrong answer because they actually do hit the equal sign after every operation, which is incorrect. Now, what you can do in a Windows PC is switch it over to scientific mode, and then you'll see here 50 plus 10 times 0 plus 7 plus 2 equals 59. So you get the correct answer this way. So just wanted to cover that real quickly as we're going through this. Thank you.